We are pleased to show you the 2018 S7. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, multi-link. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, heads-up display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, refrigerated storage, Audi Connect satellite communications, cruise control. The S7 is the zenith of Orion engineering, so clear-cut in its purpose and accomplished in its execution that it might actually be all the car you'll ever need. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.